Understanding, able to shift, in English. Hello, everyone. Welcome to our English language learning channel. Today, we're going to explore a common English phrase, able to shift. This phrase can be a bit tricky, but by the end of this video, you'll understand its meaning and how to use it effectively in your conversations. Let's dive in. The phrase, able to shift, refers to the capability or capacity to change or alter something. This could be a physical shift, like moving objects from one place to another, or a more abstract shift, such as changing one's opinion or approach. It's about being flexible and adaptable in different situations. To better understand able to shift, let's look at some examples. 1. In a work environment, our team is able to shift priorities based on client needs. This means the team can change their focus depending on what the client requires. 2. Personal growth. He was able to shift his mindset and become more positive. This shows a person changing their way of thinking. Sometimes, able to shift can have slightly different meanings based on the context. For instance, in a technical setting, referring to changing gears in a car. In a social context, adapting to different social settings or expectations. Be careful not to confuse able to shift with physically moving something. It's more about the ability to change or adapt, not just to move objects. And that's it. You now understand the phrase, able to shift. It's all about being capable of change, whether in thoughts, actions, or direction. We hope this video has been helpful in your English learning journey. Happy learning, and see you in the next video.